Hey guys, it's me, Monique.
Hello. Yeah, hi, it's Will.
And we are living the good life, Rving. And it's been a while since you've seen us like this.
Yeah.
So we wanted to take you on a little tour of something close to our house where we currently are in California and give you a little tour of the Perris Lake Recreational Area and Campground. So come along. Lake Perris is an artificial lake completed in 1973. Its mountain rims between Moreno Valley and Perris is now Lake Perris Recreational Area. The park offers a variety of recreational activities. It has a museum, the Yahaki Regional Indian Museum. Tells the story of the State Water Project and focuses on the culture and history of the native people of the Southern California desert region. Lake Perris is approximately 1,560 feet above sea level. Lake Perris has a 128-foot tall chevron-shaped earth-filled dam. The unintended areas of Lake Perris may seem rocky and bare at first glance, but harbors a variety of natural wonders. An artificial reef exists on the lake floor made of old tires. The reef was created to provide a habitat for the fish. Lake Perris hosts to a variety of birds and wildlife. Mullet deer, roadrunners, bobcats, coyotes, rabbits, quails, gopher snakes, and rattlesnakes may sometimes be seen during the day. They tend to shy away from people though. For frequent seeings, you might see a variety of lizards, rodents, waterfowls, and birds of prey. Beautiful displays of wildflowers occasionally during the rainy season, generally November through April. There's more of over 100 species of birds that have been spotted at Lake Perris. Many of them migrate and stop at the park briefly during their travels, while often making a permanent residence here are hummingbirds, golden eagles, sparrows, hawks, bald eagles. The lake has become a hotspot for freshwater game fishing. Largemouth bass, spotted bass, bluegill, rainbow trout, channel catfish, black crappie, red ear sunfish, and carp are all present in the lake. As the climate is a warm one, the California Department of Fish and Game make regular plants of rainbow trout throughout the winter months. Many recreational activities allowed on, in, and around Lake Perris and in the State Recreational Park. Guided hikes are offered in the trails around the lake, and several campsites are located near the lakeside. The lake is open for boating Thursday to Monday. Other activities include fishing, picnicking, horseback riding, camping, swimming, and rock climbing. Fun fact, did you know that the Los Angeles Olympic bid for the 2028 Summer Olympics made agreement with the Department of Recreation for the lake to host the canoeing, spirit, and rowing competition when Los Angeles hosts the 2028 Summer Olympics? Lake Perris Campgrounds is one main family campground at the Lake Perris with at least 167 sites for tent camping and 264 paved sites for recreational vehicles. There's also separate primitive horse camping. Did you know if you're disabled, you can get a state pass that will give you half off on your state admission? For campgrounds, it'll be half off. Get your application, fill it out, and they will take and process it Monday through Thursday. Stop here at the gate and speak with one of the state rangers. They will give you all the information in regards to camping, and they're very friendly and will answer all your questions. Get your information for your campsite and head on over and get set up. Let's go. Most hookup sites have 30 amp electrical hookups. 50 amp hookups are found at sites 105, 118, 131, 209, 229, 237, 262, and 270, and 200. Site 112 is a 50 amp hookup but has handicap accessible sites. An adapter is required for all electrical hookups for RVs that do not run 50 amps. Lake Perris campsite amenities include tables, fire rings, and grills. Water is available. On the hookup sites, they have water, electricity, and sink water gray water drains. They do have a dump facility. Facilities include restroom, hot showers, a store, horse shoe pits, amphitheater, natural corner, and a sanitation station. Up to 3 vehicles can be parked at any one campsite. Although it says that the maximum length is 31 feet, the state recreation area website indicates that RVs up to 40 feet may be backed in with tail overhang on the campsite, and tires must be on the pavement. Maximum stay is 30 nights in a calendar year. During peak season is limited to 15 nights. The campgrounds are pet friendly. Pets are welcome. They do have disabled friendly campsites. Also, check-in is at 2 p.m. and check-out is at 12 noon. If for some reason you get to the campsite after the kiosk has closed, you can still go ahead and park, get a spot, and check in the next day before 10 a.m. I hope you enjoyed this part of the tour of Lake Perris. More to come. Stay tuned. Please like and subscribe and follow us on YouTube. Live the good life
And living the dream.